Did you know that you can create your own healthy fruit leather with just one ingredient? That's right. All you need is fruit. Choose your favorite fruits like strawberries, mangoes, or apples, and blend them into a smooth puree. Try this today. Simply preheat your oven to the lowest setting, around 75 degrees. Spread the fruit puree on a baking sheet lined with parchment paper, evenly smoothing it out to about 1/8 inch thick. Bake for 6 to 8 hours until it's no longer sticky to the touch. Imagine a snack that's not only fun to make but keeps you energized throughout the day. This fruit leather is packed with vitamins and fiber, making it a guilt-free treat that satisfies your sweet tooth. Plus, it's a fantastic way to reduce food waste. Use overripe fruits to whip up this tasty snack. After it's done, cut it into strips, roll them up, and store them in an airtight container for a convenient on-the-go snack. Would you try this? What's your favorite healthy food hack? Get creative and enjoy your homemade fruit leather anytime, sharing it with friends and family for a delightful, nutritious experience.